Welcome to Penrose Learning, where we make understanding easy.
You start by securing a backup. You will thank yourself if something goes wrong. Next, find where the 300 one is defined, plugin, htaccess, engine xconfig, or functions. PHP, because the removal method depends on that location. Once done, enable WP debug or run a redirect checker to generate a list of active 301 redirects so you know exactly what to remove. Make sure to note original targets and sources. You'll need that information for say you now remove the redirect where it lives. If it's a plugin, deactivate it and check the URL. If it's htaccess, comment out or delete the rewrite rule 301 lines and test immediately. If nginx, update server block and reload. For functions, PHP, remove the redirect hook or conditional and save. Always work on staging or enable maintenance mode so users aren't affected, and then purge all caches, browser, CDN, and WP caching, because stale caches will make it look like the 300 one is still active. You finish by verifying the fix. Use a curl request or a redirect checker to confirm a 200 response and no 301 chain. If a redirect persists, make sure to check CDN settings, managed host redirects, and your browser cache. These often hide the change. If needed, restore your backup and reapply edits one change at a time so you can pinpoint the culprit. Keep a single source of truth for redirects moving forward to avoid future conflicts.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.